Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your phone easily, because after a long time uses our phone works very slowly. So if you reset your device, it will make faster your mobile phone as like new. So friend, if you really want to learn how to reset your Android device, then please watch this video till the end and hit the like button of this video. So let's start the video. One thing remember, this hard factory reset will erase your all mobile data. So keep your important data safe. You need to transfer all of important data and contacts to any other phone or any computer. I already uploaded a shorts video on how to upload contacts to Google Drive, so you can check it out. Okay, for reset device, first of all you need to go to your settings, and then you will find here above of the screen about phone. Click on it. After that, below here you will find backup and reset option. Just click on it. Then scroll down, click on reset factory, erase all data. It will remove your all information like contacts, account, apps information, and it will delete all data of your SD card. So if you have SD card on your phone, then first of all remove it from your device for keep your data safe, then reset your device. Okay, then here below click on reset, then put your password here. After that, you will see a warning that it will erase all data, but I was said. Just click on next. Then again another warning comes here. So friend, make sure your all important data are backed up. Okay, wait a few seconds, then again click on next. Now wait a few minutes, it will take time, so don't worry. As you can see, after a few minutes my phone is start. Click on this arrow, then choose your language. I'm choosing English as my language. Then click on this arrow, then select your country. Again click on this arrow, and now skip this network option. Then below here mark on this agreement. Click on this arrow again. Scroll down and then click on accept. Now you can set a password for your device, or you can skip this option. I'm going to skip it. Then scroll down and click on this arrow. Click on this arrow again. Now your work is done. As you can see, my device is now looking very fresh and fast, like new phone. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video.